Hi friends, it's Stacy at Florida Life Real Estate Agency and Mobile Home Sales. I'd like to show you around this home today, so let's get to it.
This home is located in Bayshore Windmill Village at 603 63rd Avenue West. This is lot HA-7. This is a 1973 double wide home with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. For pricing and more information, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Two entries from the carport, one into the enclosed porch and one into the kitchen. We will go in through the enclosed porch. And through the sliding glass doors into the dining and living room area. And into the kitchen. Built-in storage in the dining space. Guest bathroom with a tub shower combo. The guest bedroom with 2 closets and a built-in dresser. And the primary with 2 closets, a built-in dresser, and an ensuite with a step-in shower. laundry room, workshop, and storage. As a reminder, for pricing and more details, please see the description under the title below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Bayshore Windmill Village is a 55+ gated community. It offers shuffleboard, pickleball, swimming pool, library, billiards, a clubhouse, and a host of social activities.
Thanks again for checking out this Florida Life listing. If you have any questions about this home or others that might be available, feel free to give me a call or text at 941-809-1318. Again, it's 941-809-1318. I'm always happy to set up a personalized search for you to find just the right home for you. And if you're thinking about listing your home, Florida Life can help you with all your real estate needs, including manufactured housing in land lease parks. I'd love to hear from you. Once again, our phone number is 941-809-1318. You can also find us on the web at floridaliferealestateagency.com or floridalifemobilehomesales.com. No matter how you find us, I'll be happy that you did. Have a great day, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye for now.